is the greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Long ago, never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I'll live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. I found the greatest love of all inside of me. The greatest love of all is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. And if by chance that special place that you've been dreaming of leads you to a lonely place, find your strength in love. Pasensya, wala practice. Thank you.
Talaga nagpuyat ano?
Inuulit mo lang tinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang ating pagmamahal, hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig, hanggang may musika kong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Huwag mo sanang isiping ikaw ay akin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig mo, hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may hinig pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig, hanggang may musika kong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. JRI Class 80, ladies and gentlemen. The other half is still there. Hanggang may puso akong marunong nang sisigaw ay lagi lang ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Diliwat mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Class 80! Salamat po.
Papalo to.